So this is what the nails look like after shaping and filing, and now it's time for some nail art. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a good day wherever you are. So as you saw, I was catching up on my nail sis, Nails by Nelly, her video, which was absolutely gorgeous. She did some ombre nails with some multicolored, beautiful colored flowers. So if you guys haven't checked her out, I will leave a link to her channel down below. So today's video is going to be me organizing my buttons, right? So let's do a little bit of backstory. Why and how I found these. I was on TikTok, go figure, right? And I was watching some nail sets and whatnot, and then I saw this lady or this girl, and she did a Mickey set, and I was like, oh my God. So I commented underneath her post, and I was like, where did you get those? 1 day went past, 2 days went past, 3 days went past, 4 days went past. Y'all get my drift, right? So this is gonna turn into a mini mini rant, okay? Right? So I get it, right? We all in this nail industry together, and we all doing styles and different stuff like that. But sis, I'm not in a competition with you. I don't want to steal your craft, but I do want to add that to my collection, okay? I just appreciate it if people would respond back to other people about where they're getting certain items. We're all in this industry together. Like, I don't understand. There is no competition. I'm not in competition with anybody around here. I'm not gonna outdo anybody around here, okay? It's the simple fact of you just answering people. So I removed my comment from her TikTok, and what I did is I watched her video one time and I screenshotted the packaging. So I had to blow up the packaging because she had her thumb around the top of the package, the top of the paper where the name is, and so I had to literally screenshot it and blow it up on my phone, and I was like, these are buttons. So I was like, okay. So I go to Amazon and I'm like, Mickey buttons, search. I search for Mickey buttons and these come right up. I'm like, how hard was it to say, hey, I got these from Amazon? Like, sis, that's no good. I don't like that. Unfollow, okay? So I found these, needless to say, and here I am sharing them with you guys just in case you are interested. Like, I don't like that type of stuff. If you guys ask me questions, I typically respond. It might take me a day or two because I do work a full-time job, but literally this was 5 days later, okay? I still didn't get a response, and my Amazon order came in 2 days. 2 days. So needless to say, I don't like that type of stuff. Anyways, so I got these from Amazon, and I was like, okay, these are buttons, right? So how am I gonna put these on my nails? So I was like, let me go ahead and pluck this little part off the bottom where, you know, you would put the thread through. Now, FYI, because this shit, and excuse my language if I'm about to curse, okay? Now, this shit right here popped me in my motherfucking cheek on my face, okay? So please, either hold the button facing down so that way when you pop it off, it'll pop on the table. But don't hold it like this, okay? Because that's dangerous. That was dangerous. So I ended up doing that, and then I was able to put these and organize these in my foil container that I always use for storage. Needless to say, these Mickey charms are so damn cute. Okay, so I Google searched on Amazon. I will leave the links down below if you guys are interested, but you guys know I love Mickey. And then I saw a variety of different ones, and I was like, I need them all. So this is what I have. And look at this blue one, super cute. So I turned these buttons into charms, and you're welcome, right? So not only that, they had different characters. They had Pooh Bear, Tigger, like I mean, they were a little bit on the pricier side. Now, I did see them at Walmart, but they were sold out at my Walmart. So I just opted to get them from Amazon. However, to me, it's worth the money. So it was like $7 on Amazon Prime, and then at Walmart it was $5. So I was like, up, it's all right. Walmart said they were going to get them to me in 3+ days. Amazon said they'll get them to me in 2 days. So I kind of chalked up that $2 difference and made it work from there. But you guys do what's best for you, okay? But these are super cute. I definitely, like I said, I'm on TikTok every night, not just watching lives, but I'm just looking at other inspiration for nails and whatnot. So I really have to buckle down. Like, this was kind of like my last purchase, and don't be giving me no side eyes in the comments, okay? This was really kind of my last purchase, like with charms and stuff. I'm like, I have so much stuff I really need to use and start creating more content. It's all nice to keep buying, but let's come up with some sets. So I'm like, all right, sis, you got to settle down, because chill. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm just, like I said, I'm taking off the backings of all of them, putting them in my storage, and I am going to just put them in my drawer. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for listening to my mini rant. And if you guys have any questions, comments, let me know. I will always respond and answer you to the best of my abilities. And if I don't know, I will tell you I do not know. Simple as that. I don't claim to be an expert, nor am I an expert. I am just a licensed nail tech out here doing my hobby and my craft and enjoying doing nails. So that's it. But thank you all for watching. Love you all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at IamBiscuit7. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so that way you know every time that I post a video or go live. And until next time, love you all. Love on your folks. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Big ass thing on your neck, on your nails. You know. But I'm gonna be repping my Mickey, period. Okay.